Hi everyone, this is Işıl from InfinityPV. I'm excited to introduce you to our LED-based solar simulator, the ISOSun Vis. This compact system is designed to give you precise, reliable light conditions for testing small to medium-sized solar cells. The ISOSun Vis simulates sunlight or any controlled light environment using LEDs. It covers from 390 to 700 nanometer range, which includes the full visible spectrum. It has 6 independently tunable LED channels: UV, blue, green, amber, red and white. So you can easily recreate different lighting conditions from indoor environments to our built-in AM 1.5G. One of the biggest strengths of the simulator is control. You can tune each LED channel separately to shape the spectrum you need or adjust the overall intensity as one unit. With included software, you can easily match reference spectra, tweak individual colors, or set the overall light intensity anywhere from 0 to over 100,000 lux. When testing solar devices, even light across surface is super important. The ISOSun Vis provides top-quality uniformity over a 30mm area, making it perfect for small and medium solar cells. If you need a bigger area, it also offers good uniformity options for larger areas. On top of that, the lamp maintains Class A stability in both short-term and long-term output, ensuring consistent illumination throughout the measurements. And we know that is an essential feature for reproducible results. All these features are packed into a compact system, so it's easy to set up in all labs and even on your office desk. It also works smoothly with InfinityPV Source Measure Units, so you can automate your tests and get detailed data on your solar cells. This makes it ideal for advanced research, combining precise light with accurate electrical measurements. So that's the ISOSun Vis, a tunable, stable and compact LED solar simulator designed for modern research. If you want consistent and customizable light conditions, this tool is made for you. Learn more at infinitypv.com. Thanks for listening.